first we're going to build the chest. So you want to start out with a large body piece. Then you grab the chest plate extension. Insert the pieces. And you want to take it on the front side, align it up to where it would normally go with. Grab the big chest plate. Put it on there. Well, never mind, take it off. Place these two here. And once you have these on, then you can place this back on. Then you take these, put those on right there. Get that in. Now you'll have a chest. Turn it over. Put that right there. Next, take this. It's gonna be a little lower. So you want to push this in there. It's very hard for me. I don't know why. Alright, so once you have it like that, now we can move on to the legs. Alright, so first you want to start out with the foot. So we're doing this foot. Let's place this here. Yep, that's how it goes. So I think it goes here. This there. This there. These two together. Alright, so once you have it like that, you should be able to bend. Take the leg, foot, put it on. Actually, I did it wrong way. Take this off, put that way. So you have that leg, put it aside. That is the left leg. Start off with this. Here. So you have that. You have the knee pad. As you can see, the bottom plates may look a little different, but that's okay because they look cooler that way. And now that you have the feet done, we can take the body, set the feet on. Alright, so these ball joints right here are supposed to give more friction, so it won't move as easily. So they won't start hard. So you have the body now. And let's move that aside and move over to the arm, to the body, to the leg, to the arms. Sorry about that. So we're gonna start right arm first. Alright, so you have the left arm done. Right. Push these together. So now you have these arms. Alright, let's take the body and add the arms on. I have the extensions back here for a reason. I have these right here for a reason. There's those on there. And make those arms like that. you have the arms. Alright, so you have the body. I thought it looked pretty cool myself when I finished the body. Now, let's add the head on. Wait a second.
Somebody's gotta unload it first.
Let me pose him real quick.
They didn't even finish. Mr. Croft is a good reason.
Alright, so now it's finished. He looks great. I honestly like it myself. So, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like.